See, I don't agree with all. I mean, yeah, you need more bandwidth and blah blah blah. But I think that's all really easy to get, and it's all, it's getting faster, cheaper, and everything. I think the problem is that we're all here at a conference of the PGA where we do this. The average production person somewhere in the world still doesn't understand this yet. You would be shocked at the studio conversations I've had with people who don't understand yet. I think the challenge is making everyone understand it. I think the challenge is simplifying it. To me, Apple's genius was that they made computing fun. The Azure Cloud genius is already there, but the genius has to become, how do you tell people about it? TiVo had that problem. No one knew how to market it until they got it. That's the problem. And the problem is making it ubiquitous. Making it where you don't even, technology becomes completely accepted when you don't even notice you're using it anymore. I think that's the question. I think it's more of a cultural, almost proselytizing question that we need to figure out.